this YouTube channel you'll be just find only special price. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for special price. For this YouTube channel you'll be just find only special price for wedding stuff and blanket comforters and like that and blankets. Yes, so today we just got the red carpet which is using on wedding. So you can see this is like 30-meter roll is coming meter the carpet you will be see guys. So if you need the roll also you got a special price, but if you need the meter we also will give you the best price. So please give this video big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, so this is the quality guys. We available also white color and we got also the red color. So you can see guys how is the quality, and is amazing quality and is the best quality. So this is like now is 4 meter guys, you can see. So if you need 5 meter, start for 5 to 10 meter, 15, 20, 25 and 30. We just selling like that, not to 1 meter, yeah, 2 meter, yeah, 3 meter. We're not selling like that guys. So you can see guys, so this carpet guys is the price is 75 rand per meter. So if you need it guys, we'll just give you my WhatsApp number on my I'll just give on my WhatsApp number on here to down. You can just WhatsApp me. If you need it you can WhatsApp me, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. And if you need the special price guys, this special will be finished end of month. This one I'll just give you the link on down. You can watch also that video. That is for special prices only for 20 days. So this end of month that special will be finished. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you'll be like this video. If you like, please give the big thumbs up, and we'll see you to next video on soon guys. Bye bye.